my seven. I'm ripping in my seven, my seven, my seven. Okay. I'm flossing in my seven, my seven, my seven. I'm riding in my seven.
Ooh, yeah, I ain't never held it like this before. What's going on, y'all? It's your boy lq4 man. You tuned in for another one. We are here in the kitchen this morning getting ready to get the day started, man. Finna go shake some things up. Got a photo shoot today, everything like that. Photo shoot today, and I'm finna get ready to go upgrade my phone. That's right, people. I'm gonna upgrade my phone to the iPhone 12 Pro Max. I said I wasn't gonna get no new phone this year, but then like everything just been boo, boo, boo. Everything been popping, man. So I decided I was gonna go ahead and upgrade. Now I currently still have the iPhone 10. It's a good phone. I mean, I just honestly want a bigger one. I thought about, and they have this crazy promotion going on right now to where if you trade it in, you get like $700 off the new phone. So for a phone that I've had since, I don't know, iPhone 10, 10s, you know what I'm saying? I done had it a little bit, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Why not trade it in and, you know, get the value or whatever? So that works for me. So we finna get ready to go trade this iPhone 10 in on our new 12 Max Pro. Better cameras, all that good stuff we're gonna see and get off into that. Which is one of the reasons why I'm recording from the phone. The other reason I'm recording from my camera, other than the fact that I should always be recording from my camera, is the fact that I wanted to show y'all why I may or may not recommend this Joby product. So if you look right here very closely, you'll see, hold on, let me spin y'all around. So if you look very closely, this is a Joby tripod that I usually hold my things on. Now if you'll notice that one of the legs is doing the stinky leg, literally. So what it is, after a closer look, review, all that good stuff, right? You know, I do detective work on the side. Hold on. Try to twist it around so y'all can see it exactly. Alright, so this, if you can see right there, it's a crack. That crack is the reason why I am no longer able to, let's see if I can get it to focus. Come on, little baby. Focus for me. But yeah, if you look very closely, you can see that it's cracked. And that is the reason why it will no longer hold this leg solid the way it needs to. Now, I've reached out to Joby. I'll put a screenshot on there. They told me to contact their support through some formal chain or whatever, man. I guess I'm gonna go ahead and reach out to them. Honestly, I don't like the warranty run around. So I may or may not even deal with it, honestly. I thought it was gonna be a good little tripod, but now I'm not so certain anymore. So, yeah, it'll be like that. But anyway, like I said, we getting ready to go up here to the store. I'm trying to make sure I got everything backed up, pictures, etc., etc. That way, when I go up there, I can just be like, "Here, take this phone. Give me that phone. Let's get it popping." So, but I want to put hands on the phone before I actually just, you know what I'm saying, seal the deal. So I want to feel it. I mean, I'm not trying to make it an all-day thing. I just want to, you know, feel it. You know, woo, woo, woo. So make sure they got whatever good case for it. I'm putting that thing in the case immediately, and then from there we are going to we're gonna grab it. So yeah, that's it. So let's get ready to go. Alright, so let me show you what we got in the bag. Got that ooey. So we got iPhone is right here, 12 Pro Max. Let me see if it's gonna focus for you. Yeah, iPhone 12 Pro Max, 256 gigabyte gold. It's like gold, baby. So that's the one I chose and went with. Also went ahead and decided to get OtterBox. I rock with OtterBox for the cases. So that's my choice. That's what I ran with. Yes, sir. So, and that's for the 12 Pro Max, as you can see. So, just a little happy holidays to you, boy, for all the hard work. You know what I'm saying? We put in this year on the channel, etc., etc. And I think it's gonna benefit, you know what I'm saying, our lives and stuff. I know the camera sensor, for those of y'all that don't know about cameras, I do this camera shit, right? There's a larger sensor in the iPhone 12 or whatever. So this is the old phone. This is my iPhone 10, and then bam, that's the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Like, if you just look at the difference, bro, like that's a crazy difference. Like, I don't even know how I was dealing with this little old phone, man. I needed something big like this. I got big ass hands. So, they told me I had 30 days to go turn it in. I just got all my stuff off of there, reset it, and then I'm gonna take it up here to the spot. Also gonna see about getting a little something else. You know what I'm saying? Y'all stay tuned. Alright, so we back. I know it looks the same, but we just got back. It's another bag. It's that bag, and it's that bag. So that means we got some more shit. So I went ahead and grabbed these bad boys. You know what them is. AirPods Pro wireless charging case. I heard how these was noise canceling and some more shit, so I went ahead and grabbed these. I seen like the design was different, whatever, so just a little Christmas gift to myself. New phone, new headphones. Like I said, because I do use this stuff the most. You know what I'm saying? So, little Pro gang. 12 Max Pro, AirPod Pro gang. You know what I'm saying? Let me know let me know if you got this phone or these headphones, man, and let me know how y'all are liking them so far. I've had AirPods before, just not these, so I'm thinking that they're going to be awesome. You know what I mean? So, yep. Alright, so got them out the box. So got the box open. Designed by Apple in California, but they probably made in China. Whatever. So this is the new case. As you can see, it's a little bit wider. If you compare it to the old case, this is my old AirPods case. If you compare it to the old AirPods, it's a little bit longer that way, but overall the footprint is kind of the same if you look at it. Still small, still can fit in your pocket or whatever. I was gonna sell these, but I mean, some people is probably like funny about buying people's earphones and shit. So if not, I'm probably not gonna sell these. I'm gonna just keep them as some backups. And then, I'm saying, go ahead and break these bad boys in here. Go ahead and open them. Designed by Apple, California. Designed by Apple in California. Assembled in Vietnam. Don't believe the hype, y'all. Don't believe the hype. So, when you first get them, this one I'm finna try to show y'all. So, you'll see that it pops up. It pops up automatically on your phone. Hold on, I gotta put my face in it. Unlock to connect. It's now connecting. Doing this thing, coming out the box. Alright. Press and hold on either AirPod to switch between noise cancellation and transparency. Control center. So it's just giving you the rundown as it connects to AirPods and whatnot. So some of the stuff we kind of already know because we're not totally new to it. So they already at about 50% charge, so we're gonna go ahead and charge them all the way up so they're good to go for the day. And that's pretty much it, man. That's pretty much it. But you know, we all about the cars and stuff, so let's crank up the CUTLASS, man. If y'all ain't heard it in a while, let's do a cold start. She been sitting there chilling. Let me get my laptop together, because it might be some data that I need. And yeah. Let me get this set up, man. We're gonna crank this thing up for you. Alright, so yeah, ain't no real changes that need to be made, man. So let me I'm just going to close the log file. Key on. I'm gonna connect it to the vehicle. Like that. Alright, hold on. Alright, so we got action. We got voltage, O2 sensor heating, or wideband heating up. We're gonna start a whole new log here. Recording, connected to the phone. Alright, that's heated up and action. Alright, so if you notice, the car is idling a little bit different. The changes that we made when we installed and cold air intake tube, so now it's not just air coming in from here, it's air traveling from there. So technically, the computer, or due to the tune, it thinks it's getting less, or it thinks it's getting, I don't know if it's, let me see, let me look at my radiator, let me look at the gauge. So the mixture is more lean than it is, or than it was before, just making that little bit of a change. But that's why we're gonna dial this in here. That way we get all the data that we need. As you can see, mass airflow is still at 0. So we are not using the MAF. We're just getting the idle dialed in first, and then from there we'll double back and we will look at the actual mass airflow. Then we'll add in the mass airflow and go.